Assalamu alaikum and hi friends, this is Wasim Zahid. In this vlog today I'm going to discuss about the credentials assessment. As you know that in order to get admission in colleges and universities in Canada, and if you are immigrant, you need to have your credentials assessed by these organizations. So here in this video I will primarily focus on ICAS, International Credentials Assessment Services, but I will also tell you a couple of more organizations who are there to assess your credentials, and these are Comparative Education Service, CES, at the University of Toronto. Number two, as I told, it is International Credentials Assessment Service, ICAS of Canada, and the third one is World Education Services, VES. But before moving ahead, I would request all the viewers to subscribe my channels because I provide informative services and knowledge sharing to my viewers. So please subscribe my channel, like it, and share it to your friends and family. So let's start. The processing times for ICAS reports are different. For example, if you are looking for general assessment report, the time is 10 to 12 weeks. If you are looking for secondary school comprehensive assessment report, the time is 10 to 12 weeks. And if you are looking for post-secondary and secondary education combined together, and then the assessment report, a comprehensive assessment report will be released after 35 weeks. And if you are thinking about immigrating to Canada and you are looking for the assessment of your credentials, and the time is 30 weeks. So these are the different times, and you may need this assessment in order to have TN visa for the United States of America. This TN visa means Trans North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. So it is for the citizens of Mexico and Canada who are intending to go to the United States of America for employment. But before applying for this assessment, you need to check with the officials whether it is required or not by ICAS, or what type of report they are looking for. As far as the validity and acceptability of this ICAS report is concerned, yes, IRCC, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, accepts the results of ICAS, and OCAS, Ontario College Application Service, also accepts the assessments of ICAS. As far as the fees are concerned, if you are looking for a general report, the charges are 90 Canadian dollars. Secondary school comprehensive reports cost you around $130. Post-secondary comprehensive assessment report costs you $200, and combined report means secondary and post-secondary education, it will cost you $280. You can also request for the upgradation if within 2 years, which means that if you have applied and for a report, and within 2 years if you are looking for upgradation, you can ask for it, but after 2 years you need to apply for you need to apply a new altogether fresh application. The process is now very simple. First of all, you need to select what type of report you are looking for. Then you need to collect documents. For each country, the document requirement is different, but basically you need to collect all your degrees, diplomas, certificates, your your mark sheets. So these documents are required, and you need to send them along, the originals along with the photocopies. First of all, you fill the online application form, then you receive the confirmation email, you take a printout, and then you combine together the application form and document submission form, and then you mail it or courier it to ICAS. Its office is located in Gulf, Ontario, and this, in case you are interested in-person submission, you can also go there, but during COVID it's not possible. Only they accept application only through mail or courier. You can pay through Visa, MasterCard, Discovery Card, certified check, money order, bank draft, and in the name of ICAS of Canada, and in Canadian dollars. You can also check the status of your application online, but if you have submitted, then you have to wait for 2 to 3 days approximately. And lastly, remember this thing: the fees are non-refundable. So always think about it, whether you need this assessment or not, and what type of assessment you are looking for. And after deciding this thing, you can apply for it. You can also you can also request for appeal if you think that you are not satisfied with the assessment report, credential assessment report. You can always go for it, but the charges are $200, and if you are successful, then you will get back your money, $200. It's refundable, but if not, then you can request for the refund. And lastly, if you are looking for the extra copy of your assessment report, you can go for it, and the charges are $30. But remember, you can only ask for the same extra copy if you are requesting this thing within 2 years. After 2 years, again, you need to go for the fresh request. So this is all about credential assessment, and in this program I have only covered ICAS and not the University of Toronto facility and the West. So keep watching my programs. I usually cover subjects which are relevant to the immigrants coming from different countries, primarily from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, and Latin America and Philippines. So thank you for watching. In the next program I will come with a different topic. So subscribe my channels and keep watching. Thank you.